Welcome to A2Zintech. Today is the third part of our 8-video series discussing artificial intelligence and health. Number 3, Checkable Health's convenient kits. Checkable Health, a progressive healthcare company, has introduced a range of AI-driven convenient health kits aimed at making wellness more accessible to the masses. These innovative kits offer individuals the opportunity to monitor their health from the comfort of their homes, bringing healthcare right to their fingertips. By integrating artificial intelligence into these kits, Checkable Health seeks to empower individuals to take a proactive approach to their well-being and promote preventive care. Checkable Health's health kits come equipped with state-of-the-art AI-powered devices that can analyze various health parameters. From tracking vital signs to measuring blood glucose and cholesterol levels, these kits enable users to gather essential health data efficiently and accurately. The AI algorithms embedded within the kits process the collected data and provide users with detailed insights and personalized health recommendations. Through intuitive interfaces and user-friendly apps, individuals can access their health metrics, set health goals, and receive timely reminders for screenings and checkups. Additionally, Checkable Health has integrated telemedicine features into the kits, allowing users to connect with healthcare professionals remotely. This virtual consultation capability further enhances the accessibility of healthcare, especially for those in remote or underserved areas. To conclude, Checkable Health's AI-driven health kits mark a significant stride towards democratizing healthcare. By empowering individuals with the tools to monitor and manage their health at home, they are fostering a culture of preventive care and early detection. As technology continues to evolve, Checkable Health's commitment to making wellness accessible through AI-driven solutions has the potential to positively impact global health outcomes.
Please join the A2Zintech community. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing for exciting tech insights and content. Together, let's grow.